Everybody could use a little help as they work to develop their skills and achieve their goals, so Alta Ipsum has the reviewer function. By entering email addresses in the Reviewers tab, you can invite people to access a dashboard where they can see your profile and help you along your way. For example, you can choose a teacher or tutor to be a reviewer. It really helps to stick to any self-improvement plan if you have someone you're accountable to who can encourage you. They can see how you're doing and add reminders to communicate with you, which makes the whole process a lot more fun. Many students also choose a parent to be a reviewer. They can see what you're doing to improve in school, which also helps get them off your back. Instead of nagging you about your work, they can just check your Alta Ipsum profile to see that you're planning your work and doing your best. And since reviewers also receive the 500-point emails, they can reward you too. Remember that student from the last video? He added his parents as reviewers, and they were happy to reward him with a gift card every time he hit another 500 points because they could see his effort and improvement. Parents would actually much rather reward your diligent work than punish procrastination, so invite them to watch this video, become a reviewer, and help you achieve your goals.